Lord Berkeley. That is mine.
I have no idea if Miles knows we're singing or not.
I cannot.
But perhaps Master Trumbull, can you bring the
I can bring
the small table?
And Master Trumbull?
Yes.
You want me to bring him on the table?
Well, I don't have
Draped decorously, of course.
So yes, that wonderful the chessboard table, but with the white cloth. Sir Thomas, I forget that we've knighted him recently. I managed to deprive him of his title.
There's one in the center that is black.
Lord Berkeley, could you take one pace to your left or right? Grandmas.
Excellent. Well, we shall think about it. There we are. He's in Munich, you know, at the moment, but we must needs get him to come here.
What would keep him there when he could be here in England is
Well,
beyond my...
they've never heard a melody, so I think they might enjoy him there.
Yes, but it's such a difficult path trying to teach them that. What if we sing all at once, Well Met Fair Ladies?
Excellent.
Oh.
Since we have so many lovely ladies here.
Since we are so happy to be so well met.
Is this the one we are doing without?
Yes.
Yes, indeed.
Excellent.
All at once, well met fair ladies, singing now on our feet, singing now, singing now on our ladies. La 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 la. Sweethearts, do not forsake us.
Till night to sleep betake us.
Till night to sleep betake us. To take us. La 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 la. Cytherea, I shall requite you with delightless sight, with delightless sight, sorrow I do. La 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 la. Then help ye dainty ladies
To sing our love repaid is.
to sing our love repaid is, repaid is. La 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 la.
That's well. Shall I move one forward to all creatures?